About 2 years ago, I changed my diet in solidarity with my wife. She has some medical issues.
You know, I was diagnosed with lupus and fibromyalgia, so I had to do a lot of research in the causes and the effects of some of the stuff that I was into, and the diet was a big part of it.
We hadn't really thought much about it before then. Started realizing that all the processed foods and eating out were really causing a lot of her pain, and we slowly went to a vegan diet.
Which I have definitely seen a very positive results from the transition. I recommend it to everybody, not just a few people. We all need to eat naturally for natural healing.
I dropped 30 pounds just from changing my diet over about a 6-month period. My wife feels much better. She was taking 20 pills a day. She now takes 0. We all feel better. My 2 sons, one's an athlete, one's a musician, and they both noticed the increase in energy. As a 43-year-old man, I've noticed my increase in energy, libido, and just overall better sleep, which leads to just feeling better during the day, more energy.